of Mary Poppins is the music. And the same can be said of the park that it will soon call home. In fact, music has always been a defining feature of Epcot. The park has a unique voice, a legacy of original melodies that brings emotion, memories, and thrills to generations of fans. And we're excited to celebrate that legacy and bring it forward in some new ways. So as we announced at Destination D last year, an all-new limited-time nighttime spectacular celebrating the music and moments of Epcot will debut this October. Epcot Forever will take us on a journey through the past, present, and future through a stirring collection of songs. Let's take a look at a sneak peek.
Soar in the tower, we are ready for takeoff.
Epcot Forever will be a spectacular that you will not want to miss. But it's just the opening act for an even bigger musical celebration that we have on the horizon. Now we're working on a new nighttime spectacular celebrating the power of music to unite and inspire people across borders and across generations through a shared love of Disney music and storytelling. And I'm excited to announce that this new show will be called HarmonioUS. This will be the largest nighttime spectacular in our history. A grand project worthy of our ambitious plans for Epcot. And HarmonioUS will debut in World Showcase Lagoon in 2020.